So this video is to help people out when they're specking out demo of cabling. So we have a small office here and people are just saying they wanted the old cabling from the older tenants removed. So we're dropping some new cable in here, but here's the thing. You want to make sure that you're just not clipping wire crazy, because a lot of the tenants in small offices or even huge things, they might have an interduct here that's feeding another suite. So a couple key considerations when you're removing older cabling. You just can't cut without getting the eyeballs or toning it out. So here's a big deal. You actually have to eyeball the cable, because if you clip it, another tenant in the office suites might lose connection because somebody improperly did not flag the cables, and then you're just cutting out connection. Here's another thing too is ceiling inspection, state of Pennsylvania, this would fail. You got cables just laying on the ceiling grid and just on pipes. For code, you have to have each system in your ceiling supported independently of itself. So if they were to take out some pipes, they would take out the ceiling, this stuff would just be dropping and it's a code violation. So when you're demoing out wire, a lot of times clients call us up and say, oh, you know, it's just no big deal, just rip it out. No, there's a strategy. So sometimes we have to eyeball it or tone out the cabling, make sure we're not cutting out other things. And then when you're installing cabling, oh, we just need something quick. Okay, well, this is a weekend warrior. This is somebody who will fail inspections. So you're making an investment on your physical topology, your network. You don't want to have the township come in and flag you with a hefty fine. So again, demoing out wire is a skill set. And also another thing too is, this is free, but imagine if they had wire ties every so often, every couple of inches. It's gonna take you even more time. So we get a lot of calls out there and they're like, oh, we lost a connection because somebody demoed out wire. There is a skill set for demoing out wire. Take it in consideration for your quotes or your build outs. Demoing cable is just not clipping and just calling it a day. There's a skill set. And again, when you're installing J-hooks, some kind of support structure is needed. Thanks for watching the video. Love to hear your ideas about demoing cable.